Who's this one to?
Vicky.
Dear Vicky, I am having a terrible time.
Fab.
The weather is awful.
No, I didn't write that.
And is this true that when you wrote to Granny and Grandpa, you said the weather was terrible? When X wrote to Granny and Grandpa, she said the weather was wonderful.
Okay, I'll tell you the story.
Oh, you tell us.
I wrote to Josie Gardner, who is my friend.
Yes, that's right.
I said that the weather was brilliant. Then Lexa wrote to Checky, her sister, who's Lexa's friend, and said the weather wasn't very good. And then, which isn't very good because they're probably going to see each other's cars. And then I wrote to Gran and Rose saying the weather wasn't very good, and Lexa wrote to Gran and Rose saying the weather was brilliant. So.
But do you think it's rather tactless writing to Gran and saying that the weather's not very nice, because she'll be terribly upset and very apologetic?
I said it was good enough to
it's
get
all her fault.
I said it was good enough to get a tan. So.
And who else have you been writing to?
My whole dorm.
Have you written to them all? No, you've written half of the dorm.
No.
You've gone up one side, but you haven't come down the other side again yet.
I almost finished. I'm doing Vicky, then I've got to do Laura, and that's it.
Have you done all the people you hate as well?
No, I'm not doing Louise.
I see. But you're doing everybody else in the dorm, are you?
Well, I can't do Georgie because I haven't got her address.
What? Is she not in the book?
No, because she's moving this summer.
Oh, I see.
To Norway.
Norway, gosh.
Yep.
And have you done everybody else, have they?
Yep, I have.
What about all the gaps? You didn't write to them?
I haven't got their addresses.
And Mr. Dix?
I'm not going to really write to him, I don't think.
Do you think he liked his card that you made for him at the end of term?
I think he adored it.
I didn't think he understood it, actually.
No,
I wonder when he has a chance to have a look at it, what do you think of it?
maybe, yeah.
What did it say on the card, can you remember?
No, I really can't. It's a toilet. There's Dixie on it. Toilet.
It said numéro 1 pour les toilettes dans Belgium or something.
Yeah, it did.
Do you think this is a sideline he does in all of his businesses?
Probably.
When he's not busy running a school,
Nope,
he's selling toilets?
Yep.
Pretty much the same sort of job, really.
Yep.
So what do you reckon?
What do I reckon?
Like to sing me a song?
No, I wouldn't.
What was the song about Tom and Alice you were singing?
No, it wasn't really a very good song.
What was that song about being somebody or other's daughter and something or other? And
Okay, I'll sing you a song.
right.
Okay. I don't remember how it goes. Okay. I once was a farmer's daughter, and now I'm a businessman's son.
Not much of a tune.
Okay, I'll sing what's
Sing a tune. Sing a proper tune.
I don't really have a tune. You do the tune. Ready?
Well, I can't remember how the tune went. You made it up anyway. It's your song, not mine.
Okay. I once was a farmer's daughter, and now I'm a businessman's son. I got a sex change and got adopted. La da da dee dee.
It could be a big hit, I think.
I think yeah.
The right backing.
Uh-huh.
The right fronting.
Uh-huh.
So you're going to be a pop star, are you?
No, I'm not. I mean actress.
Oh, right.
A film actress.
Oh, actually, right.
Uh-huh.
And you'll have your name on the back of a chair, will you?
Yeah, the star. Then Olivia. I'm not sure about Olivia Gray. I'm thinking of a stage name. I'm thinking of
What would be a good one, do you think?
I don't know. Something.
Yes, that sounds good. Yes, it's got a ring to it.
I know.
So you've got a final message for your fans?
I love you all.